Hello, my name is Naida Rios with the Texas A&M Coastal Bend Health Education Center. Many of us today are experiencing limited access to our antibacterial hand sanitizing liquid, such as this one. And this is all based and due to the current COVID-19 pandemic that we're all experiencing. And today I'd like to provide you a possible technique so that you can obtain some antibacterial hand sanitizing alternative methods for your home. Simply go to your favorite store and obtain antibacterial bar soap. Many of the different bars are indicated on the label antibacterial. And also obtain a potato peeler. Yes, the potato peeler is very handy. Simply get your bar soap out of the wrapper and start curling down unit dose individual antibacterial hand sanitizing curls. With this curl, it allows you to utilize it for your hand washing techniques. This whole bar allowed me to make a jar so that you may place it next to your kitchen or bathroom sink. Upon doing so, each individual user may get their own individual unit dose curl so that they can then implement the CDC recommendation hand washing techniques. With Texas A&M Coastal Bend Health Education Center, we are available on all social media platforms such as your Instagram, Facebook, and we are also available by phone at 1-866-524-1408. If we may help you in any way, please feel free to give us a call so that we can assist you with any questions you may have. Thank you and have a great day.